If you want to use a reference image in Leonardo AI, this guide will walk you through the exact process in a simple way. Whether you want to match a person's appearance, copy a visual style, or guide the composition of your final image, Leonardo AI gives you a few powerful reference options that can help you get much closer to the result you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. First, from the Leonardo AI homepage, go to the image generation window. This is where you'll build your prompt and set up your reference image before generating anything. Once you're in the image generation area, look for the prompt box and click Upload. From there, select your reference image that you want Leonardo AI to use as guidance. After uploading the image, you'll need to select your reference mode. This part is important because the mode you choose changes how Leonardo AI interprets your image. Click the Feature drop-down menu and choose the type of guidance you need. Depending on the model you are using, you may see different options, and in some cases, only one category may be available. So if you don't see every option, that's completely normal. If you choose character reference, Leonardo AI will try to keep the facial features, hair, and clothing of a specific person or subject consistent across new generations. This is the best option when you want the same character appearing in different scenes or poses while keeping them recognizable. If you choose style reference, Leonardo AI will focus on the artistic look of the image instead of the subject itself. That means it can copy things like color palettes, brushstrokes, texture, and lighting, then apply that style to a completely new prompt. This is great if you love the mood or art direction of a reference image but want to create something original. If you choose content reference, the AI will look at the structural layout, outlines, and composition of your source image. In other words, it helps preserve the overall arrangement while still allowing you to change the theme, textures, or subject details. This is useful when you want to recreate the framing or pose of an image without copying it exactly. If you use image to image, Leonardo AI blends both the structure and colors of your original image with your new text prompt. This usually creates a close variation of the source image while still giving you room to add your own creative direction through the prompt. Next, you'll want to adjust the strength of your reference image. Click the small settings arrow next to your uploaded thumbnail. From there, choose a strength value such as low, mid, or high. Higher strength makes Leonardo AI match your reference more closely, while lower strength gives the AI more freedom to interpret your prompt creatively. If your result is drifting too far away from the reference, increase the strength. If it feels too locked in, lower it a little and test again. Once your reference mode and strength are set, type your prompt in the prompt box. Be clear about what you want the final image to look like because the prompt still plays a major role in the result. Combine a strong prompt with the right reference mode and you'll get much better outputs overall. When everything is ready, hit Generate and let Leonardo AI create the image. If the first result isn't perfect, don't worry. You can always tweak the prompt, switch the reference mode, or adjust the strength and try again until you get the style and composition you want. And that's how to use a reference image in Leonardo AI. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.